Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. This video is about some makeup products that I purchased recently. They are Juvia's Place Magic Foundation and they claim to be the world's most pigmented foundation. I have their concealer and I also have their stick foundation that I'm going to use as my contour. I know that this foundation is really hyped. People love this foundation because this is full coverage, and I know that I'm late trying on this foundation. I love full coverage foundation, but I have very dry skin. That's why I am scared to try on new full coverage foundations, just in case if they look too matte on my skin, if I have lines or cracky feeling on my skin, if they look tight. I have a friend who used this foundation and she recommended me to try it on. That's why I bought this. I have not tried a bunch of foundations on my face. I love Laura Mercier foundation, Huda Beauty foundation. They are my favorite. And I don't know if I'm going to love this or not, but we shall see. I bought this online and I tried their shade finder. So they suggested me to buy Aruba, but I think that Aruba is more to the yellow side and I'm not that yellow, so I ordered the shade Tangier, which is 520. I bought concealer in shade 18 because I love brighter under eyes. That's why I bought lighter concealer for my face. And for contour, I bought Benine. The Magic Foundation retails for $20, concealer for $14, and the shade stick retails for $16. I bought them on sale, so I paid $23 for all these. I know it's a steal. I saved so much money and I'm gonna be happier if they work nice on my skin. So let's get started. I used serum on my face and moisturizer as well. And I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter Primer. I want to mention that I have used a Festival palette for my eyes, and the foundation comes in little tube, which is really cute. I love the color. This is Tangier 520 and the tube is sealed. The foundation looks really thick. This is not runny at all and this is not moving. Let's put this on. For right side of my face, I'm gonna use my brush, and for left side of my face, I'm gonna use Beauty Blender to see the difference. The foundation looks good so far. It's not super dry and it's easy to blend. So this is one coat and I can see my freckles and marks if I come close. So without foundation and with foundation, this is one coat with brush and I can see my mark here and freckles here. For left side of my face, I'm going to take same amount of foundation and use my Beauty Blender. You already can tell that the foundation oxidized. This side is brighter and this side is a little bit darker because I put this on earlier, and the foundation works well with a Beauty Blender. I still have some leftover on the back of my hand and I'm gonna use this to cover my marks, and the mark is gone. So this foundation is buildable and you can hide your marks, freckles. I'm gonna put a little more foundation to cover marks to the right side. With brush, this foundation gives medium coverage, and with Beauty Blender, this is full coverage. So far, so good. Now I'm gonna try their concealer. Did I mention that I bought in shade 18, which is really light? Okay, I love the applicator. The concealer has thick applicator. I love concealer when they come with thick applicator because I think that it's easy to use. Using my beauty blender. I'm really impressed. This is full coverage and this is not sticky. This is so easy to blend. And I will leave my nose highlighter. I will blend it later. Now I'm gonna use their foundation stick to contour my face. So this is benign. This has cool undertone and quantity of this product is good. Now we're gonna check the quality of the product. This product glides on really nicely like butter. I love to use deep contour. Using a damp brush to blend out the contour. Wow, this is amazing. I am loving this. This is blending like butter. I'm really loving how the foundation looks. Now I'm gonna go set my face with blue setting powder and put some blush and highlighter and finish up the whole eye look, then I'll be back. So guys, this is the final look. I am really loving this foundation, concealer and the stick. To be honest, I had zero clue that I would love this. I don't have smile lines, but you know, when you wear full coverage foundation, thick foundation, then you can have smile lines, but I don't have it yet. This foundation looks amazing. The foundation doesn't look heavy that I expected, and I didn't struggle to put my bronzer, contour powder, and to put my highlighter, blush. All the products worked really nice on the Juvias products. I am loving this, but one thing I want to mention that is this foundation oxidizes. When I put on foundation, that looked a little bit lighter than my skin, but over the time that oxidized, and the concealer, contour, and everything worked really nicely. Everything blended really nicely. That's why the look turned out nice, I guess. And now the time is 12:30, and after 5 hours I'm gonna update you on my foundation, how that looks. Put some lip balm. Now the time is 5 p.m. and it's been 5 hours. I put on my makeup and my makeup still looks good. I am really happy with my makeup. I don't see any lines or anything yet. My face doesn't look super dry, but I have dryness around my nose and my mouth. Forehead. I'm not accusing this foundation, it's just me. My skin is really dry and I will wait for another 3 hours, then I'm gonna share my final thoughts on these products. So guys, now it is 8 p.m. and it's time to check on my foundation. So overall my foundation looks good. I did not expect this to be this good. I see slightly lining here and around my nose. I see a little bit of separation around my nose, but it's not too bad. And I didn't touch up my makeup at all. This foundation photographs really nice. I took some nice selfies and they turned out really beautiful. Now it's time to share my final thoughts about the products. So this foundation is amazing. This is absolutely gorgeous. And this foundation oxidized, so I would recommend you to buy one shade or a couple shade lighter than your natural skin tone. And if you're not good at shade matching online, then I would recommend you to go to the store to buy it. And most of the foundations are more to the yellow side, so I recommend you to swatch before you purchase. And compared to the price point, this is an amazing foundation. I love this. This concealer is one of the best concealer I have ever used. This concealer is not sticky, I didn't have breakout problem, and this was so easy to blend. So I highly recommend this and I would purchase these again in future. And this foundation stick, which I used as contour stick, this is amazing. I have not used as a foundation, so I cannot tell how this will turn out as a foundation, but as a contour stick, this is amazing. So I loved this as well. And I highly recommend all these products. I paid only $23 for all these, so it was steal for me. I am so happy that I made that purchase and I'm so glad. And in future, yes, I would love to buy all of them again. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!